here we are YouTube on Saffron Islands, but if we're here, then why not go and catch Articuno before we battle Blaine? Okay, and maybe I will also find Ice Beam. This is Ice Hill. Okay, what are you? A photographer? I never say no to a photograph. Fortunately we don't have we don't have, there's a Pokemon missing. Nidoking, I don't have Nidoking with me because I need Sparrow for fly. Unfortunately Gliscor cannot learn fly. Okay, let's go catch Articuno. This girl here is having a Delibird. I go for the surf. Delibird is down. What do you have? She's having Cloyster and Dugong. Okay, another Sasik and Dugong is down. What about you? Another Dugong. Let's send out Heracross. I must train Heracross to learn Mega Horn. I will use Dig and he misses dive. Goes for the Ice Beam. I go for the close combat and Dugong is down. And Lapras, another close combat, another KO. I must train Heracross as I said before, but because it must learn Mega Horn. Okay. Yes. No, I can't go through here. What if I go down here? What is this? Please tell me you are Ice Beam. Yes, it's Ice Beam. Now I don't have to wait for the Blizzard to hit with my Nidoking to slay Lance Dragons. Of course, the bad news are that I don't know if Ice Beam is a KO. He's having even Garchomp. What do we have to do now? I think we have to take this down. This also must be taken down. Yes, and we can progress now. And I think we're ready to fight Articuno. Okay, here is Articuno. This, yes. No, I can't go there yet. There must be another way. What if I go through here, upstairs? Here we are. Downstairs now. Down again. And now I think we're ready to go fight Articuno. Okay. Slowbro learns Thunder Wave, that's great. Here we are. This is Articuno. Let's go get him. Why not? Articuno level 50, I go for the surf. It doesn't do a lot, that's good actually. Oh, Ancient Power. Psychic. Just don't score a critical hit. I'll use a full restore. And now I'm about to paralyze Articuno. Here we are. Let's save now. You never know. I may KO it, I may score a critical hit. He's on the red zone. Let's try to catch this now. Okay, Ultra Ball. I catch it with the first try. You can see that I have no cheats on. Here we are. I have no cheats. I catch it with the first try. No, I don't want. Okay, now we can use dig with Heracross, get out of here and go fight Blaine.